honey to our. So yummy. Too crispy is this. I need to eat that one.
Birthday to you. Sweeter as the years go by.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola.
Malipay siya. Inanihan ko na natagbansin ko tapos.
Si Big Mac Green. Oh, ano?
Tanaw ka, Je. Good morning, guys. Today is January 21. Today is Mama Neneth's birthday. So the time now is 2:45 a.m. in the morning. So I wake up around 2 o'clock. So I just sleep around 12 last night because namin mga orders can finish. But right now we're preparing something for Mama. That is why some of the family members are sleeping while I'm cooking something. So just keep on watching everyone. Here's this huge crispy pata. So guys, so some of the honey to our. So yummy. Too crispy is this. I need to eat that one. Happy birthday, Mama. Oh, and that. Too crispy. So it's almost making some spaghetti. So here's my yummy spaghetti. Happy birthday, Mama Neneth.
Yesterday, forget all your sorrow. It's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday. Your most awaited day. You can hear the voices of your dearest friends singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy, happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Day to you.
happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sweeter as the years go by, sweeter as the years go by. Richer for the deeper, Jesus love is sweeter, sweeter as the years go by. May God ever bless you, may God ever bless you, may God ever bless you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, isa na balik. Okay.
Birthday, happy birthday.
Duty pa siya tininin ka. Amen? So let's pray.
Si Joshua pa, ano, kung wala, kung mo ang dami, si Mama ka ng tibuok nga. Tibuok, ang ko na to.
Agdo, gas nagatugli.
Ay, ato sa inyo, haron.
Basta tulog ka sa bando ang sa kabuhan, dungan. Basta upat. Di mo dungan.
Isa rin yung brad, no? Kamusta? Wala pa si Mayor pala, may person pala, dito ka lagi.
Pilaw na ko ba? Kala di balik ko pansit, sago ng gaboy.
Kaya may ko nang sumpah.
Tinuod.
Mukhang manok.
Ang hutana siya tinuod ba kung di mo ka baboy joke? Joke ra. So today is January 21. Today is Mama Neneth's birthday. So we're going to guys because Mama is working. So I'm going to buy the necessary needs for the Manilas food back to business. And I'm with them. You say hi. Ayun, kanta happy birthday, Mama La.
Happy birthday, Lolo!
Kasi Lulo? Kasi Lulo? Taro nga ba?
Happy birthday, Mama!
Ay, kapuya, sige, joke. Taro nga.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Hoy, kape na! So, I'm here at my school right now. So, I'm here in the office. I'm taking some class questionnaire. So, I'm going to eat my lunch. So, a while ago, we have our serenade for Mama Neneth. So, my mama turned 56 years old today. So we have some cake here. So, our cake is a yema cake. And then, of course, we have some macarons. The one that I baked last night, I wasn't able to film it because I'm so tired. So, I sleep around 12 and then wake up at 2 o'clock because I need to cook the lechon kawali. So, I have some lechon kawali and banana for my lunch. And then, I have some dupot. Here's the dupot. It's cute sa mga unta. So, I'm just using plastic today because I have a lot of this questionnaire that I brought. So, I'm going to make some gravy. Here's the dupot. So, I think I'm gonna be ending this vlog. I don't know if we will be having a celebration tonight because Mama has work. Kaya nabot yung mga amo. So, that is why maybe we have short dinner. But, I'm gonna be out here in around 7 o'clock. So, that is why I don't know. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Mama Neneth's 56th birthday celebration / surprise. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye! Sige na, sige. You sing happy birthday. Hello, wow, it's a purple! Your favorite color!
Okay,
You sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola! Happy
You clap your hands.
birthday, Lola! Happy birthday! Arapa!
Yo, awak na. Mo kay light di ay. Lulu, wa kay puspuro lulu.
Ako dami.
Nakatamting ay sila tamting ay.
Ha?
I have tamting di ay ano ni light pa man di ay ni sa musting. Haman sila sa mami.
Ipataon mo kanina.
Dapat sila sa mami mo apil sila sing. Haman silang daday, si dada.
Nagkanta, daday.
Nas daday.
Ingnas, daday ka. Nakanta sa diri, daday. Now we have some cake. What happened to your candle? Dili mo kumukuha ni mong candle?
Tamting.
Sige na, sing na. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Lola!
Clap your hands.
Happy birthday, Lola! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lola!
Thank you.
Kinsay mag-blow?
Kisay mo glow. Ay, wa mamapaong lagi.
Okay, let's eat.
Corporations in Northern Australia were in disbelief, not only here at Aiza Mae, back to you, Sarah. Thank you, Estelle, for Aiza Mae, South America and Australia correspondents. Meanwhile, more news after the break.